She's an oldie but goodie. The ways have been reground. These big ways, not the V ways, but the ways that the saddle rolls on here have all been reground. It's wired 220 3-phase. It's a number 2 Morse taper tailstock. 6-inch steady rest. It's got a thread dial. Aloris tool post with 5 holders. It's ready to turn and burn. Updated electrics. There's your holders there. It says 16, but it's a 21. 21 by 9-foot center. Through hole is 1 3/4 inch. There's your serial number, NE6944. It's got a 3-jaw. One more time around. It's got a really nice smooth crank on the tailstock, offset. All right, thanks for watching.